My name is Megan Ubben, and I am a nurse educator with Elsevier. I am going to review 3 key strategies that will help students effectively use book-specific Elsevier Adaptive Quizzing, or EAQ for short. Test-enhanced learning is a term that describes how students can learn through testing and quizzing. Book-specific EAQ uses test-enhanced learning to achieve positive student outcomes. Students can use 3 key strategies to optimize their learning with EAQ. The first strategy is to use EAQ prior to class to help learn course content. Students can create weekly quizzes in EAQ related to textbook chapters that are being covered in class that week. For every question in EAQ, students will receive a rationale with page numbers to refer to in their textbook. Optimal learning occurs when students use these page number references to read content related to questions that they did not understand or answer correctly. Keeping a study journal and writing out 2 sentences related to the textbook reading that helped to clarify missed questions is an excellent way to use EAQ to optimize learning and help students effectively prepare for class. The second strategy is to use EAQ to study for course exams. Students can create quizzes related to essential chapters being covered on the exam and should begin studying 1 to 2 weeks prior to the exam to help ensure they are ready. As EAQ progresses from knowledge-based to harder application-level questions, it is important for students to pay attention to the mastery level that they are achieving prior to the exam. It is recommended that students achieve at least a mastery level of 2 for essential exam chapters. If a student is unable to achieve a mastery level of 2, they should reach out to their instructor for additional help before taking the exam. The third strategy is to use EAQ to remediate after taking an exam. When reviewing exam results, students should write down 3 topics that they did not perform well on. Students can then create quizzes related to those 3 topics before moving on and trying to learn new content. These strategies will help students take ownership of their learning. The idea of keeping an EAQ study journal is recommended for all 3 strategies. Helping students understand how to effectively use EAQ will enhance their learning and lead to optimal student success.